Hi everyone, so we're going to get my friend right now, and then we are going to go to Old Navy and then Target, and then we're gonna go back home. Hi!
Hey, hi! Seatbelt.
Hey everyone!
Hey, we're going to Target.
Yeah. We're going to Target. Oh, don't mind putting that. So we're going to Target because it just reopened after Hurricane Harvey.
Hurricane Harvey.
Ooh, good lighting.
Oh yeah. Oh, look at the entrance. Look at
that looks so cool though. Like, oof.
Look at the sign.
It's hard to do this with one hand.
Look at the sign. It's so different. Wow. It's big.
Yeah. Oh, they have a little
Super everything.
Oh, free water or free good water. Okay.
Free stuff. Okay.
So it's hard to do this with one hand, but we're just gonna show you what
our new Target
after months of Hurricane Harvey, and
I'm excited because I miss going to Target. I always have to drive.
We're all excited.
To another. Remember the Target that we drive to? The Target is so far just to go to Target. So
that Target's so close. I don't know which one you're talking about.
very different. Oh, I need to get primer. I need to get some elf. I need primer. Where's your primer?
Primer?
Yeah.
Primer. I think they just open.
Oh, I need primer. I can't believe they don't have any primer.
Isn't this face primer? Mom?
Yeah, I know they.
Face primer.
Yeah.
Face primer.
No, not that. I need eyebrow primer.
Oh.
They don't have it.
Be here 'cause they just open, so they don't have all.
Okay, let's get our almond milk. This is so pretty.
Where's the milk?
Where's the milk?
This Target's even bigger than my Target.
Where's milk?
Go in here. Over here.
Water. Okay.
Canada ginger ale lemonade.
Yeah. Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
You want a cold one, or do you guys got cold water?
Yeah.
You want cold?
I don't want a cold one.
No. There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. We're loaded with all this stuff.
Oh, there's the baby section. Anything your size? Let's see, Tony.
I feel like that wasn't my size. Oh, look at how cute it is. Oh, this is way too small. Look at my new crop top. It is so small. I think that was a little too big for me.
Okay, let's go to the kids section. They even have a big book section.
When did they have this?
Wow, this is nice.
Let's show a bike. I wish Target came with them all in like one set. I think this needs a face. Yes, it needs a face. It needs a face. Look at, are you okay? It needs a face. Oh, Jesus. That's cute. What? I don't like how they come.
Oh, they have more headbands and stuff there.
Especially at the bottom. That's Starbucks. Starbucks? The sitting room. Starbucks. Oh my god. The sitting room? Can we just find a random clothes so we can just look in the sitting room? That'll be amazing.
This is pretty.
Mommy, I think we found it.
Found what?
Squishy. Huh? We found the squishy.
Oh, Daniela, see, they're all gone. The LOL.
I think I have to go on Monday.
actually open?
Let me see.
It's $30.
Where is the clearance?
She like for real wants it.
No, I'm not kidding. Like,
It's $30.
I got 15.
Okay, I'm looking for the hair supply section. Where's the hair supply section?
I just got it. Okay.
Okay. We have clearance stuff.
It's yellow. You're young. Look
I
at
know
it.
it's for her.
Oh.
I don't need that.
She doesn't need it. Look at her. I can open it.
Yeah, let's try the bread. Free bread.
Want to be
Oh, thank you. Okay, let's go. Did you guys have a nice time at Target? And you got a lot of free stuff. Yay! Thank you, Target.